Here's a brand new carving tool. There's a certain wow factor when you get a new carving tool because it's a beautiful thing. But what I want you to do is think of the cutting end as a glorified wedge of metal. It's a wedge. It goes to a point, goes to a sharp edge, just like this. What does a wedge do? Well, when you push a wedge into something, of course it exerts pressure on either side. That's exactly what a carving tool does, and you need to bear this in mind all the time you're carving. And it's one of the reasons students come to me and they say, oh, a bit of wood's fallen off or broken off, or somehow this bit of wood's fractured. It's because this wedge has been pushing wood and fracturing the grain, the fibres of the wood, in unexpected ways and often unnoticeable ways. Now, there are ways as carvers of dealing with this, of actually minimising that effect or even eliminating it, and those I'll show you as we go along. But essentially, the essential key point here is to remember that this wonderful carving tool, whatever the shape, is nothing more than a wedge of metal.